One of the big questions researchers ask when creating high entropy alloys is whether or not they form a solid solution or an intermetallic material. That's why it took us so long to even question whether or not to make high entropy alloys, is because we thought they were going to be intermetallics and not solid solutions. But then you're probably wondering, what do we mean by a solid solution? Well, the official definition from our lovely friend Callister is a homogeneous crystalline phase that contains two or more chemical species. Both substitutional and interstitial solid solutions are possible. And in this case, when we are referring to it as the two species, we usually are meaning the two different metals. And the fact is, they don't care who they're next to. In some compounds, like in intermetallics, like this one, for example, this iron molybdenum, they want to be in that specific order. That's not a solid solution, that's an intermetallic. However, if you say have gold and silver, like this, they don't care who they're next to. That's all kind of just thrown around together. The reason we get so excited about solid solution alloys versus, say, developing an intermetallic is because solid solutions are generally seen as being more ductile. Usually they have a higher yield stress, and so they are generally preferred for any sort of application because their properties are higher. And when, for example, we look at high entropy alloys, they actually are on the higher end for both ductility and for yield strength, which is a big plus for many engineers for applications.